Number 5 is the Sovol SV06 Plus 3D printer. Through a thorough professional examination of the Sovol SV06 Plus, we delve into its versatile design, efficient printing capabilities, and broad appeal to creators of all skill levels. Gain a comprehensive understanding of why the SV06 Plus stands out as a distinguished choice in the vast realm of 3D printing technology. So, let's get started. The Sovol SV06 Plus 3D printer is the ultimate choice for creative professionals looking to push the boundaries of 3D printing in 2024. With its distinctive i3 structure, the SV06 Plus stands out from other printers by offering a larger printing volume of 300 by 300 by 340 millimeters. Its modular design allows for effortless assembly in just 5 simple steps, making it incredibly user-friendly and suitable for various household applications. The SV06 Plus demonstrates exceptional speed, thanks to its high-flow all-metal hot end measuring 150 millimeters per second and a dual-gear direct drive extruder with planetary design. When combined with the clipper screen, it achieves a remarkable printing speed of 250 millimeters per second. The all-metal hot end configuration enables high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius, eliminating the need for PTFE replacements and firmware flashes. As a result, it offers versatility for printing with various materials. It offers an exceptional user experience with its 4.3-inch touchscreen, 25-point auto-leveling, and PEI-coated build plate. Its self-developed 32-bit silent board, equipped with TMC 2209 drivers, ensures both stability and quiet operation. With innovative features that cater to the needs of enthusiasts and professionals, the Sovol SV06 Plus sets a new standard in the ever-evolving landscape of 3D printing. Discover the remarkable Sovol SV06 Plus 3D printer, which boasts a versatile design, efficient printing capabilities, and wide-ranging appeal to creators of all skill levels. Uncover the reasons why the SV06 Plus sets itself apart as an exceptional choice in the expansive world of 3D printing technology. Embark on your journey of exploration with this extraordinary printer. If you like this 3D printer, click on the link in the description box to purchase it.